Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, I'm gonna just jump into it because it's a really simple video. I'm gonna be doing a LUSH unboxing video. I ordered some goods. I was running low on body wash and some other things that I needed, so I was like, okay, let me order online since I don't have a car and getting around LA is really hard if you don't have a car actually. So I ordered online, and so I'm going to be doing this unboxing video. And you know, I'm a pretty medium fan of LUSH. Like, I love them enough because they have good quality products, but their ethics are like, so if you're also similar on the same wave, but like appreciate the sense and products that LUSH has, then stick around. I haven't bought LUSH in like 2 years, so this is kind of like a little like gift to myself and my boyfriend since they had some Valentine's Day stuff. It is January 2021, as you can see when this video is posted. So yeah, if you want to see the LUSH products that I got, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys want to see more like body stuff or just like scent stuff. Because I don't do hauls often, I don't shop as much as I used to, but you know, you never know. I might get to here and there, and I could show you guys to show it and see if you want. This video is not sponsored. So I ordered this package. I ordered it, I want to say like almost a week ago, and it was shipped on the right day. So it took like, I want to say like a week for it to arrive. The box smells really good. You can tell it's, you know, the recycled handmade stuff. Fragile, handmade with care. So, you know, hopefully nothing is broken. And then you get the smell of the inside of the box. I'm just giving you all the experience because, you know, LUSH is expensive and I rarely buy it. But when you do buy it, you get that smell. Okay, so first thing that's in here is a silk knot wrap. I remember this stuff being made out of recycled plastic bottles, so I thought this one was beautiful. It's called Emma, and this is gonna be what I wear in my hair probably like 50% of spring and summer. Ricardo, cool. It's pretty, right? And it smells like LUSH. It's from LUSH. So they have like silk knot wraps that you can wrap in your hair. And some of them are cotton and they're like tough, so I don't like those. But this one's super silky and smells divine. Ricardo has it too, so it's right now. So yeah, I'm really excited to wrap this in my hair. I really like it actually. See, we don't waste any time. Time is precious. Oh, it smells amazing. Honestly, like LUSH has some like intoxicating scents, and I know they do it on purpose to get you to keep shopping, so you have to be aware of that, but you know, with healthy limitations. So yeah, wow, wardrobe change. I know I probably look like the cutest pirate you've ever seen, but back to the video. So they have these biodegradable peanuts, which are great. You know, when it comes to the environmental impact that, you know, cosmetics has, beauty is so wasteful. It's so wasteful for the environment. It's so wasteful to your money and your skin and health because it warps your mental image of yourself. So really, like, when they can reduce that and make it a little bit more environmentally friendly, I'm like, okay, perfect. Like, LUSH is cool because a certain aspect of it is taking care of yourself with like high quality ingredients. But then again, with my experience, it's really like not made for black or brown people. It's just made for like white people and white skin and hair. And that's it with the drama. But I'm gonna go ahead and keep showing you guys what I got. I got this bath bomb. Yes. Oh wow. It smells like fresh laundry. I don't know the names. I don't have them memorized. But let me show you. Oh, I got a little. Whoa. Okay. So I got this little pamphlet and these two pamphlets. bracelets that I'm sure have other products for me to buy later, which, you know, I may or may not do. But so this is called the Floating Flower Bath Bomb. It smells really good. It has cocoa butter, lavender, almond, and it kind of smells like fresh laundry. So, but the thing that I do is that I don't automatically use them. I let them sit in my bathroom and they smell really lovely. So all the essential oils, they go everywhere. So here is the second product I got. This is a shampoo bar. So this shampoo bar, it smells like Godiva. If you know Godiva, shampoo bars are really cool because they have no packaging. This video is not sponsored. I have a lot of knowledge in my brain. So this smells like jasmine and lilac, but it smells just like the old Godiva solid perfume, which I saw they stopped making, which is it's a pity, but this smells delicious and it's gonna perfume my hair. When I lived in San Francisco, Godiva and jasmine were the main things that I put in my hair, and everybody complimented me whenever I would walk into a room and I would smell that jasmine, and they would just be like, oh my god, you smell so divine. And I would just be like, thanks, it's jasmine. Like, I know it's an aphrodisiac, but come on, people, like, leave me alone. So, moving along, we don't have time for vanity here. This is the avocado co-wash. I saw that they have a new version. I like the old version, but you know, new is maybe a change. But apparently this is better for people with dreads, curly or coily hair. And it smells the same as the old one. It smells really rich, oh my god. So this is it's like a solid conditioner. It's a co-wash, which is supposed to not be as stripping for your hair. But the last one, their main issue was the little red like wax that they had. It would just kind of like people would put it in their hair and they didn't really know what to do with it. So this is more so just like a solid bar that disintegrates, and then you're just left with really lovely soft hair. And you know, I'm not gonna go into the ingredients, but avocados are just really hydrating. It has like apple cider vinegar, just all these different things for your hair. So I remember when I used it before, my hair was super like shiny and soft and wavy, and it was like my hair. So I'm happy, I'm excited to use this again. Ooh, the next product is, I'm excited for this one. This is a bubble bar, and this bubble bar is, it's called Ultraviolet, and it smells so strong like violet. It smells like curbside violet. It's totally violet, and I'm gonna have these in my bath and just have them, you know, smell the place all night. I'm gonna put this guy over here. And so yeah, like when I actually use the bath bombs, it's probably after like a month of letting it, you know, really perfume out the space. Okay, the next guy is Rose Argan Naked Massage Oil. It has this cellophane wrapping. It smells crazy. I know, right? It smells so good in here in this room all day because of LUSH. So, I know y'all have made that exact same face before when opening something. So, it smells just like Pearl or Rose Jam, which is a LUSH scent. And it's really lovely. It's really strongly of rose, but you know what? There might be some nights where I want to really smell like a rose. Ricardo's over there doing his own thing, you know, letting me be a creator and supporting my art, supporting small businesses, that's right. So yeah, we're gonna let this moisturize our body and, you know, alright, a couple more products. You know, I am not rich, but I do have taste. So I'm going to be showing you. This next product is called Orange. It's a shower scrub. I really like LUSH's scrubs. I always felt like it smells like orange soda. So Orange, it's a body scrub. I really like body scrubs for my tattoos. As a tattoo artist, as you guys have seen in other videos, I feel like the skin equation for healthy smell this. So this is Beauty Sleep. It's a face and body mask. It's supposed to be really revitalizing, really nourishing, really hydrating, and cleansing. So I was like, okay, let me try this. I was a huge fan of Mask of Magnum Tea. You know, that's another one of their masks. And I think this is almonds and coconut, and that's the exfoliant. So me and my boyfriend will definitely try this. It smells so peaceful, y'all. Like, I might keep this in the fridge low-key because it's just gonna be so soothing. And now, I think I'm in the final product. Lush was stingy and didn't give me a free sample, I don't think. But it's cool, you know, whatever, Lush. Like, I see y'all for who you are, so whatever. But the last product that I got is the Olive Branch. The Olive Branch, you know, tattoo artist told me to get it, and I see why. It's really moisturizing. It has a beautiful orangey, like, musky orange scent, which they and you know, really cleansing, really moisturizing, and one of my favorites personally. So I got a large for me and that is it. That is all the Lush products that I got. I hope that you got this little rush that I got of, you know, having new products and being able to really pamper my senses and my skin and hair. So if y'all see me progressively getting hotter, just know it's fresh ingredients, high quality ingredients. I also want to shout out to Lush because I saw that they had a black woman be the head of their new black hair care line. Personally, for me, I believe that they should have done that, you know, years ago, and they're just, you know, trying to profit off of black people as, you know, the world is trying to do. But, you know, at least they did that. At least Lush did that. I just want to acknowledge that because when I, you know, had my experience with Lush, like, they were very behind in black hair care and skincare, and honestly, it was just very white. Lush is very white, and we all know that it's very white. So, speaking on that, I'm glad that there's been some change. Hopefully, there's a lot more change, but you know, I don't keep up with other people's drama. I just focus on trying to live my best life. So, I really want to check this box to make sure that I didn't get any sample because you know what? I spent coins, and they're not even grateful. Yep, no sample, y'all. No sample for me. But you know what? I'm gonna be smelling good, and I'm gonna be, you know, looking cute. So, whatever. So yeah, that was my unboxing video. I hope that you have a great rest of your day. If you are obsessed with Lush and are a fanatic, please get some help. Definitely understand that self-care and taking care of yourself are, you know, it's a very fine line between materialism, excess, and hedonism, and actually taking care of your mental health. So make sure to actually take care of your mental health, and have a great rest of your day. And if you have a favorite Lush product, what is your favorite Lush product? Or other, you know what, if anyone can introduce me to natural, like plant-based skin and hair care that's, you know, maybe not Lush, that's an alternative, I would love to hear, I would love to see it. Please send me